This makes my grandfather, grandmother, my own family.
They make this one.
Own family making.
They make this one.
Yes.
This exact one.
This all material. This all shawls. We have also some pieces we are taking.
Your grandfather made this
grandfather,
one.
my
Your
grandmother.
family they make this one.
My full family. Like yes, my family. My full family making this.
Shawl from Kashmir. This is Kashmiri. Fully handmade.
Yes.
Amazing. Look at the beautiful patterns and the flowers that you have over here. Look at the colors. Wow, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah.
This is full handmade like this. This
Yeah.
is not print. This is full handmade.
Yeah, this is. But
also
how do
more
they achieve this pattern?
Yes.
How long? How long to make this one? A month, 2 months?
2 days.
2 months. One person making this?
One person making this. Like
Subhanallah,
this.
subhanallah.
Like this. One. Yes.
So how much is this one?
One.
Show me other colors. Njongalis from Kashmir. These ones are shawls from Kashmir. Shell in Kashmir.
Fully handmade shawl. See sir.
Oh man,
Fully handmade.
beautiful,
See sir. This is fully handmade.
beautiful.
This
Can't
one is
imagine.
bigger.
Look.
It takes
Yeah,
long
this is
time
bigger.
also. Yes.
So what's the price of this one?
Yes sir.
The price?
This is 9,200.
9,200. Wow.
This is very costly.
Wow.
And material is very different. You
Yeah.
know about some pashmina?
What?
Pashmina.
Pashmina.
Yes.
I've never heard of that.
Pashmina is it's kind of goat only in Kashmir, Ladakh.
You know there is a Kashmir. I know Kashmir, but we make
Kashmir.
we make suits from that one. You know suits.
This is rare goat.
Very rare. It's very expensive. That
Some pieces remaining in Kashmir. We catch them and we catch.
and then you you remove the wool.
And after
and then
we
you make
this
this one.
yes.
So this is Kashmir.
Yes.
Kashmir wool. This is Kashmir wool. Amazing.
Also we have also sir we have this one but bigger like this from here to
From
here.
here, it's like yards, big yards.
1 lakh something, 1,20,000.
Subhanallah.
Study.
How many people make that one now?
This one 10, 12 people
10.
but takes 6 months.
This one, how many? One person?
This one person, 2%, 1%, 2%.
Within maybe 2 months, 1 month.
2 months, 2 months. This makes 2 months, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days.
Okay.
This takes more than 2
Crazy.
months, 15 days.
Wallahi, it's nice. It's very, very beautiful. So how about this one? Show me this one.
Actually,
Show me this one.
this makes my grandfather, grandmother, my own family.
They make this one.
Own family making.
They make this one. This exact one.
This all material. This all shawls. We have also some pieces we are taking.
Your grandfather made this
grandfather, my
one. Your
grandmother.
family they make this one.
My full family. Like yes, my family. My
Mashallah,
full family
mashallah.
making this.
So because for the sake of supporting your own father, your own grandfather.
Making this one.
Yeah, we have to support this
You
guy.
like someone I make. I don't want win something in
Some too much. You are not looking for bigger profits.
No, I don't want bigger profit.
Yeah, you just want to.
How much you want? This is for gift, my brother.
Sharp.
How much you want?
Let me see. Let me see first this one. Bro, this is beautiful. This is Kashmiri.
Yes, this is meter. This is not expensive. This is 750.
Oh man.
750 rupees.
Yeah, man. So how?
Wow.
But where you just put on this one? Only? Does it have a pant? Where's the trouser for this one?
Only top.
Only top.
Yes.
No bottom, no pant. Okay. This is for ladies only, right?
This for ladies.
How much is this one?
750.
750.
Yes.
Okay, bro. This thing looks beautiful, man. Put it there. We'll see. We'll come to it. Show me another one. Show me another
Size
one. Similar to that.
similar to that. Okay.
Yeah.
Go these. This one. This.
No. Then you have this color here.
Can I open? Which one?
Oh man,
And then do you have a
the
khimar?
designs. Khimar.
like anyone from these?
What is the difference between these ones and that one?
This is saris.
The saris.
Yes.
Ah,
This is machine made. This is
It's
not
a
real
machine made.
material.
Okay. You know Govinda?
Okay, how much?
I know.
You know Salman Khan?
I know also Salman Khan.
Do you know Sandeep?
Sandeep?
No.
Come on, you don't know Sandeep?
I
Brother
don't know
Sandeep,
Okay,
only
give me
one
another one
Sandeep,
like
the whole
this.
of
One
India,
more.
only one Sandeep.
Sandeep?
You don't know Sandeep? From Kerala?
No.
You don't know Sandeep? Come on, brother. You don't know Sandeep? I'm getting angry now. Maybe I should stop buying these things. You don't know Sandeep? Let me show you Sandeep. Ow. You don't know Sandeep? This is
No.
this is Anand. This is Sandeep. You don't know Sandeep?
No, I don't
Come
know
on, brother,
Sandeep.
brother, please.
Because this person from to Kerala. I am from Calcutta.
From Calcutta.
What about these?
Huge difference
Come
of
on.
straight.
This guy is very, very famous.
And when I was
Mine.
born, the sun had just risen, and sun rays were falling deep on my body. So my grandmother said, "Let's keep his name Sunrise." But like,
It's called Sandeep.
I
The sun
don't,
was rising and then it went deep. It's called Sandeep.
I don't know South Indian person, but I am only 1 year in stay in Bangalore.
Okay, 1 year you're
Working
staying here
this
in Bangalore.
brother.
MashaAllah. That's good. Can you say hello to Sandeep?
Hello, Sandeep.
Tell him hello, Sandeep.
Hello, Sandeep.
I wish to know you more, Mr. Sandeep.
I used to know you more, Sandeep.